In this video, I will show you how to convert cash to Bitcoin in Coinbase. So first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app or website, and then you have to click on this buy and sell option. After that, a window will pop up. From here you have to select buy. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies you have to select Bitcoin. Then on the screen you just have to enter the amount how much you want to convert or want to purchase Bitcoin. So just enter amount here. After that you have to click on this pay with section, and then from this window you have to select this cash or USDT option. It will also display how much amount you have in your USDT, so just click on it. Then you just have to click on this review order, and then you just have to review the details, how you can review the amount how much you are purchasing and the how much fee you have to give to the Coinbase. And once you are satisfied with details, click on place order, and that's it. Your cash will be converted to your Bitcoin. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.